Discord noise.
That was
Wait,
fun.
my Oculus is so connected to Discord. What the hell?
That
Wait,
was
my
you?
Oculus is connected to Discord. Wait, who's...
No. Look at my punching sound.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh my gosh, Luke, you're making me
Your
trip
sound
out right now.
effects? I thought it was Aaron's like fucking PC or something.
I thought...
Okay, well there's my
Look at
intro.
my sound effects.
Welcome to Train Troubles. We're doing this. No.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna start the game. I'm actually getting tripped out by this. I'm about to fall over in real life.
Alright, we're gonna do this later if we get to it because it's
Because of
cool.
this.
Alright guys. Objective premise is to
four,
win.
3, 2, 1, brawl.
Come here, you rapscallion!
The gun has been placed somewhere on the train. Find it quickly.
Don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Oh, we found it.
Nah! I didn't miss that time! Let's go! I got Jimmy.
You don't see me. You don't see me.
No!
Welcome, punch!
Somebody find it. Well, the game's over. Nice work, people.
As I won, I got hit by the side.
So, theoretically, if I did this,
Yeah.
okay. See, I never realized the physics in this game. I understand the physics now.
Alright,
Boarding will begin shortly. May
for
the
some reason I
best
thought
fighter
copyright
win.
music was Discord sounds. I don't know why I thought that, but I did.
5,
Okay, guys,
Four,
do not get hit by
three,
anyone. I'm telling you that
two.
right now.
1, fight.
Y'all are gonna come after me, aren't you?
Yeah, we're about to come after you. I'm not gonna let.
Oh, I thought Bo was gonna shoot.
I thought bro was about to end
Gun
it
is
all.
back. Somebody find it.
Give me that.
No! No!
That shot you.
I did not shoot him. Ja, I'm One Punch Man. Trust.
No, I'm scared now. Hold on.
The gun has been placed somewhere on the train.
Where?
Find it quickly.
No, please.
Fudge!
No, what? That didn't kill you?
Trust.
They go. The gun has been placed somewhere on the train. Find it quickly.
So apparently, if you just apparently, if you just slap people,
No,
they
Aaron,
just,
Aaron, I told you I would get my revenge.
he got his son.
Yo,
Guys, we can curse. We can't curse.
May the best fighter
shut your.
We can't curse.
5,
Start mewing if you're gonna.
Oh
Curse.
my gosh, you're such a
Three.
stupid Nick.
2, 1, brawl.
Ah, your turn, Buckaroo.
Such your.
The gun has been
Yo,
placed
yo, yo,
somewhere
I'll
on the
go-
train. Find it quickly.
Oh nah. Oh nah.
One has found the
Stand
gun.
back.
Weave. Get out of here. Game over. It's game over, guys. Wait, why?
Look
isn't-
out for
why
that
isn't
sign.
It ending the game? Why isn't it ending the game, guys?
The gun is back. Somebody find it.
No.
Get out of here.
Well, the game's over. Nice work, people.
Let's go. I'm better. I am.
Ready
Guys.
for revenge?
Boarding will begin shortly. May the best
Oh, nah.
win.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't
Five.
think you would find me.
4, 3,
I was not that dumb,
2,
buddy.
1, fight.
How much you guys bet?
Boy, get your goofy ass.
No.
The gun is back. Somebody find it. Someone has
Get
taken
back.
the gun.
Get back. Get back.
God. You just snipe, bro. You JFK'd him for real.
Nah, get out of here. I am
Look
better.
out for that sign. The gun is back. Somebody find it.
Oh, no.
Someone has found the gun.
Oh, frick you.
Get
Frick
outta
you.
here.
Get
Pass. See you around. Nice work, people.
Shut up. I sniped you halfway across the train.
Revenge, revenge.
Shut up. I sniped him halfway across the train. Get out of here, buddy.
Oh yeah, I'm emoting on you.
Get out of here. You don't deserve that win.
I'm emoting
You
on
don't
you.
deserve that win.
Get your goofy ass out of here, bro. Get your goofy ass.
Nah, I'm starting the game.
Begin shortly. May the best fighter win.
Oh, no. That's staying off. That's staying off. That's staying off, buddy. That's staying off.
Oh, it makes it a game.
Oh,
What the?
nah.
3, 2,
Chat, we're cooked.
1.
It's the ego.
Fight.
We're cooked. We're cooked.
I got actual fists. Look at me. I got actual fists.
You wanna go, you
The
girl?
gun is back.
Nah.
Somebody find it.
That's how you know bro's British. He can't use a gun.
That's crazy.
Get out of here, girl. You girl.
Damn, bro. Is Ash in his call or something, bro?
Who? Nah.
The gun
No,
has been placed
no.
somewhere on the train. Find it quickly.
I got sent so far back.
I saw that.
What's up?
Yo. King,
Someone
you
has
juked
found the
him.
gun.
Bro, you juked him hard. Bro, you juked him so hard.
Knockout. Well, the game's over. Nice work, people.
Hey guys. Help. Help me.
Boarding will begin
Stuck.
shortly. May the best fighter win.
Me, I'm the best fighter. I'm the best
He juked
fighter.
you out. How do you feel about that?
4,
I don't feel
3,
really good.
2, 1.
Go get him then.
Fight.
Gary, get back. Gary, get back.
Round two, round two.
Get out of here,
The
buddy.
gun is back. Somebody find it.
Nah, get out of here.
Someone has taken the gun.
Nah, you ain't gonna shoot. You ain't gonna. Out of the train, buddy.
Well, the game's over. Nice work, people.
I am him. I'm him, guys.
I was
Trust.
talking about it. Nah, bro, has to turn extra knockback on to win. That's crazy.
No, what? I didn't even turn it on.
Begin shortly. May the
Dang, I
best
saw you turn it
fighter
on.
win.
Dog, I was literally
Wait,
back
no, that-
there. I couldn't have turned it on. I was literally in the back area. I couldn't have turned it on.
You're right, that was Aaron.
3,
You're right, that was Aaron.
2, 1.
Nah, it ain't.
Bro.
I'll tell you something, bro.
It was Aaron,
Get
trust.
your goofy out of here. Get your goofy out of here.
Oh,
The gun
nah,
is
he
back.
disrespected
Somebody
him.
find it.
No, get out of here, Aaron.
Someone has found
I'm
the gun.
American.
No.
I'm joking. I'm Mexican.
Not joking hard enough. Where'd you go?
Well, the
You are
game's
not
over.
him.
Nice work.
You're not him. You are not him.
I'm gonna lock in this time. I'm locking in. I'm standing up.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't really have a lot of room in here.
Boarding will begin shortly. May the
Trying
best
what we
fighter win.
Where's Aaron? Wait, where did Aaron go?
4, 3, 2,
What's up?
fight.
No, get out of here, buddy.
The gun is back. Somebody find it.
Oh no. Your aim isn't that good.
Someone has found the gun.
I am the king of Wakanda.
Watch out for that sign. Well, the game's over. Nice work, people.
You think you're the king? I'm the king. I'm the king, buddy.
We'll begin shortly.
I'm the king.
Best fighter win.
Nah,
Water.
trust I'm the king. You think you're the
5,
king?
4,
Nah,
3,
I'm the king.
Mods ban him.
1.
Mods, man, that guy and blow up his skull.
The gun is back. Somebody find it.
I'm still alive, you dumb.
Someone has taken the gun.
I shot him. No, no, get out of here. Why are you hopping like
Look out
that?
for that sign.
No.
The gun has been placed somewhere on the train.
I
Find
get
it
it.
quickly. Someone has found the gun.
Oh, that barely missed your head. Get over there. Oh! No!
Well, the game's over.
Okay, I would have won
Nice
that.
work,
You
people.
suck.
Trust, I would have won that.
Donkey water,
Shit, didn't you die first? Didn't you die first? Didn't you die first?
You dog water, bro. You dog water. You
No, I drew Dookie
dog water, bro.
Dookie booty.
Dog
Fight.
water, bro.
Win.
Dookie booty.
Dog water, bro.
You're Dookie booty. I'm killing Aaron first. Hold up, let me kill Aaron. Let me kill Aaron.
4, 3,
Hey man, violence is not
one.
the answer.
draw.
Violence
This
is the answer
isn't
for me.
you. Mama.
The gun has been placed somewhere on the train. Find it quickly.
Nah.
Someone has taken the gun.
I'm not gonna lie.
Look out for that sign. The gun is back. Somebody find it. Someone has
dead?
found the gun.
Down, 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 down. Down, down, down. Any last words, young?
Get out of here.
No. I will never give up.
Where'd he go?
Look behind you, buckaroo.
Well, the game's
No.
over. Nice work, people.
I took was one bullet and a few punches, but mostly one bullet. All right, guys.
Boarding will begin shortly. May the best fighter win.
May the best fighter win.
That would've been an amazing
I'm here to
comeback story
brawl,
one day.
mister.
3, 2,
Why I order?
draw.
Why I
Oh,
order? Why am I
no, I'm in
why
the
am I
red.
The gun has been placed somewhere on the train. Find
Wow.
it quickly. Someone has found the gun.
Aaron, are you alive?
No.
Yeah, you're finished, Sonic.
Watch out for that
I
sign.
don't think I am. Fuck
You're done for, Sonic. You're done
Well, the
for.
game's over. Nice work, people.
Let's go. I'm too good at this game, guys. For real.
Luke, how are you so short that the sign doesn't hit you?
Okay, buddy. I duck, buddy. I duck. That's how the sign doesn't hit me, because I duck.
Shit.
5,
This I duck. That's how the sign doesn't hit me, guys.
2,
Trust.
1, fight.
Oh,
You guys are tag teaming.
Come on the train.
You're tag teaming.
Somewhere on the train. Find it quickly.
Let me. Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like we
Ah,
died.
you suck. You suck. You
Oh, didn't
suck.
we die though?
You suck. You suck.
Oh. Ah, trust.
You suck.
You suck worse. You suck worse.
Fighter
suck.
win.
Nah, Aaron, me combo him, bro.
Aaron, you're a little bit
Honestly,
worse.
I won't lie. We did
Five,
combo. I'm not gonna lie. We did combo.
3, 2.
I'm the content
One.
machine, boy. I don't need
Fight.
to be good.
Nah, I thought, bro.
Oh nah. I almost ended it on.
Back. Somebody
really did.
find it. Someone has taken the gun.
Nah, bro, missed it again.
No, trust. I'll make that epic comeback. Trust.
Damn. Okay, bro, hit me. No, who said I fell off on purpose? Shit.
All part of the plan, right? All part of the plan.
Watch out for that sign.
Watch out for that sign.
Trust, it won't hit me. It won't hit me, trust. It won't hit me, trust. What'd I tell you?
Someone has found the gun.
Nope.
Well, the game's over.
Not missing again.
Nice work, people.
I'm not missing again, guys. I'm not missing again.
Expecting that.
Alright, guys. If you enjoyed this
KO.
video, leave a like on Luke's channel. I'm about to disappear right now. Leave a like
Call
on
me
the guy's
Cup.
channel. And
We agreed upon this. Call me Cup.
leave a like on Cup's channel, and he really appreciates it if you like his videos and give him subscribers because he's poor. Bye, guys.